Today I have to remove the security window bars from this house, and I will show you how to remove the bolts. You have to do all the windows on the first floor around this home. In addition, there will be a repair to this vinyl siding that took damage from the grill being too close. Also replace that damaged window up in the attic. As you can see, you can engage to lock it to secure the bolt in place, but there is no slots to unscrew. So what you have to do is make your own slots, pull out the grinder with a metal cut-off blade, and lightly get inside the groove to give you somewhere to get the flathead into the slot. Just enough to get the blade in there, but not too deep where you make the head too weak and split off and makes it tougher to get off. Don't ask me how I know. So now that should be good enough. Pretty much making it into a flathead. Get it out. Worked fairly easy. Just the right depth. This one, I think I went a little too deep, but it'll come out easily. Cutting that groove, you want to line it up with the slots of the bolt that allow it to tighten out. There's a special bit that can drill that down, but a flathead will work. And it's just that easy. It's time to remove all these bolts from all the windows, times 6. So I have to put this camera down so I can move quickly. There we have it. All the bars are off. All the windows will move forward with finding a way to patch these holes or replace the flashing. See what the client will request. We also repaired that vinyl siding and replaced that window. Thanks for watching.